Making some real good progress on the work tables. So what I ended up deciding to do was to cut a plate. Actually, you can see one right here. So on one side, we have holes to screw into the legs, and on the other side, we have holes to screw into the tabletop. So this gets mounted like this. Here's the table leg. It's mounted like that. And to get it mounted pretty even, what I did was I cut a board so that when I put it here, it'll be about the same as right here. So I'm getting them mounted. I have this one to do yet. These are not mounted to the table. I'm not going to mount them to the table because we'll need to transport. So I have really no reason to do it at this point in time. I may number them, but then again, once they're on, if I take it apart, then I should number them. But maybe I'll number them ahead of time. So in other words, on the bottom side of this, I'll put a number 1 maybe. And on the table, I'll put a number 1 so I know number 1's match. And then same, that'll tell me which way it goes and which tabletop it goes to. So we'll finish this up. That'll get the legs ready. And I've had some time to think about the a shelf. Could even do 2 shelves. Probably 1 shelf will be enough. That's what I'm thinking. So maybe 1 shelf. And then the thought has occurred that maybe I want a drawer. So we'll cross that bridge later, but that could be an add-on. But I definitely want to do the shelf because that'll add stability too. And I think a shelf is really handy. And I've thought about maybe a shelf at one height on one and maybe on the other one vary it a little bit. So I have a little bit of variation. Because if I put these two, let's say in the shape of an L, it would give me more variation having 2 different height shelves. So I don't know if they'll go together or not, but they're looking really good. I really like the tops. I like them much more now with the 45 corners. And I got a cool idea for doing the shelf too. So stay tuned because I think it's going to be cool. I don't want to give it away now, but we'll start cutting for them.